Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, you are welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If you are dealing with slow head growth, hair shedding, thinning heads, or hair and itchy scalp, today's natural remedy is exactly what you need. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a powerful clove and Lipton tea combo for hair growth. This method is very simple. If you want a stronger, thicker and healthier hair, then keep watching. Into a clean container, add 1 teaspoon of clove. Next, place 2 Lipton tea bags inside. Pour enough water into your container. Make sure the clove and tea bag are fully covered by the water. Close the container and allow it to sit for 24 hours. During this time, the water will slowly absorb the nutrients from the tea and cloves. After 24 hours, the water will usually turn dark brown. Let's talk about the benefits of clove. Cloves are rich in a natural compound called eugenol, which help improve blood circulation in the scalp. When the scalp has a good circulation, the hair follicles receive more nutrients, which can help promote healthy hair growth. Cloves also have antibacterial and antifungal properties, which help fight dandruff, itchy scalp, and scalp irritation. A healthy scalp is very important for strong and growing hair. Now let's talk about the benefits of Lipton tea. Lipton is a type of black tea, and black tea contains caffeine and antioxidants that are beneficial for the scalp. Caffeine helps to stimulate the hair follicles, which encourage faster hair growth. Black tea also helps to reduce excessive hair shedding and straighten weak hair strands. How to apply? First, wash your hair with your natural shampoo. After washing, slowly pour or spray the mixture onto your scalp and hair. Make sure it touches your scalp. Next, gently massage your scalp for about 3 to 5 minutes. Massaging helps improve blood circulation and allows the nutrients to penetrate the scalp better. Leave the treatment on your hair for about 20 to 30 minutes. After that, rinse your hair with clean water. For best results, use this treatment 2 times a week. Natural treatment works best when you use them consistently. With regular use of this treatment, you will start noticing several benefits, such as less hair shedding, stronger, shinier and healthier hair, clean and less itchy scalp, less dandruff and thicker and fuller hair. If you have extra moisture left, you can store it in the refrigerator. However, it is best to use it within 3 to 4 days so it stays fresh. And that is it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who wants a healthier hair. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!